1. Restart both devices. Let's start by restarting both your smartphone and Bluetooth headphones. This simple action usually resolves the majority of connectivity issues. On the other hand, if you are still unable to connect or pair your Bluetooth headphones to your Android phone, make sure to check the next step. 2. Disable and re-enable Bluetooth. This is obvious. Although we would also add, at least for the sake of troubleshooting, enabling airplane mode for a minute or so and then disabling it. Alternatively, to avoid conflicts with other on-device antennas, disable temporarily NFC and IR if your device has them. Just tap on the tile in the quick access bar and disable Bluetooth. Tap on the same tile to re-enable it. If that still fails to address the problem and your Bluetooth headphones are not pairing with your phone, try the next step. 3. Remove pairing and pair Bluetooth headphones again. The next thing to try is to remove the Bluetooth pairing and add it again. Basically, what we want to do is to forget the paired device and add it again. If Bluetooth headphones are not connecting to phone after the reboot, forgetting and pairing the device again usually solves the problem. If you are unsure how to do that, make sure to follow these instructions. Open Settings. Tap Connected Devices. Open Paired Devices. On some Android skins, you'll need to be connected to the audio device in order to access the option to unpair. If that's the case, turn on Bluetooth and connect to the headphones.